We are pleased to show you the 2026 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.